Recover deleted TikTok messages. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. If you've accidentally deleted something important, don't worry, there might still be a way to get it back. So let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the inbox button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and let's say this is the message that I have deleted accidentally. What you need to do is go to your profile, tap on three dots or three horizontal bars, go to settings and privacy and simply tap on account. From there, simply tap on download your data. Here you'll see two options, that is request data and download data. First we have to do is do request data. Simply tap on select data to download and tap on custom and choose messages. After you've done that, simply click on done, and you can also choose what type of file format you want. After that, you can go to the next tab. Once the data is ready, you'll see over here, simply tap on download, and that's it. If the messages were available in the data request, you should now have access to them.